Welcome to Investment Island. It's a magical place where money can grow. Think of it like planting a seed that could grow into a mighty tree. That's the stock market. Here, you can buy small pieces of big companies. We call these pieces stocks. It's like owning a tiny part of your favorite store or restaurant. Excited? You should be. Let's explore this island together and learn how to make our money grow. The stock market is like a giant flea market. But instead of used clothes and old records, we trade pieces of companies. These pieces are called stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you own a stock, you own a small part of that company. Companies sell stocks to raise money. This process is called an initial public offering, or IPO. They use this money to grow their business, build new things, or hire more people. For example, they might open new stores, develop new products, or expand their operations. When you buy a stock, you're betting on that company's success. You believe that the company will grow and become more valuable over time. If the company does well, the value of your stock goes up. This means you can sell it for more than you paid for it, making a profit. If the company struggles, the value of your stock might go down. It's like a roller coaster. The stock market can be very volatile, with prices going up and down quickly. But don't worry, we'll learn how to ride it safely. By understanding the basics and doing your research, you can make informed decisions and manage the risks. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over time. It's important to think long-term and diversify your investments. Diversification means spreading your investments across different types of assets, like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This helps reduce risk. Keep an eye on financial news and economic indicators. Global market trends can also impact the value of your investments. Set clear financial goals and review your investment strategy regularly. This will help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Consider working with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment plan. They can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of the stock market. With the right approach, investing in the stock market can help you achieve financial freedom and live the life you want. So let's get started on this exciting journey together. Let's say you love pizza. You love it so much you want to own a pizza restaurant. But opening a restaurant costs a lot of money. So you decide to split the cost with your friends. You each buy a share of the restaurant. Now you are all part owners. Stocks work the same way. Each stock represents a small share of ownership in a company. And just like with the pizza restaurant, if the company does well, your share becomes more valuable. Imagine you're watching a big basketball game. How do you know which team is winning? You look at the scoreboard. Market indices are like scoreboards for the stock market. They tell us how the overall market is doing. Some popular indices are the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. These indices track the performance of a group of big companies. By watching these indices, we can get a sense of whether the stock market is going up, down, or sideways. Section 5. Stock exchanges, where the buying and selling happens. You can't just buy and sell stocks anywhere, you need a special place to do it. That's where stock exchanges come in. Stock exchanges are like giant marketplaces for stocks. The New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, and the NASDAQ are two of the most famous ones. Think of them like online shopping websites for stocks. Buyers and sellers from all over the world come together on these exchanges to trade stocks. Section 6. Why should you care about the stock market? You might be thinking, this is all very interesting, Jim, but why should I care about the stock market? It's a valid question, especially if you're not someone who follows financial news or has a background in economics. But let me tell you, the stock market isn't just for Wall Street professionals or the ultra-wealthy, it's for everyone. Here's why. The stock market is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over the long term. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company. As that company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares increases. Over time, this can lead to significant financial gains. It's how ordinary people can build real wealth. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. With the right information and a bit of guidance, anyone can invest in the stock market and potentially see their money grow. Remember that seed we talked about earlier? Just like planting a seed, investing in the stock market requires patience and care. Investing in the stock market is like planting that seed. You start with something small, and with time, it has the potential to grow into something much larger. It might take time, but with patience and care, it can grow into a mighty tree. Think of your investments as seeds that, with the right nurturing, can grow into a forest of financial security. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. So, why should you care about the stock market? Because it's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your future. Section 7. The importance of long-term growth. Investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Just like a marathon requires endurance, patience, and a well-thought-out strategy, so does investing. You need to pace yourself, stay focused on your long-term goals, and not get distracted by short-term fluctuations. It's not about getting rich quick. Those schemes often lead to disappointment and financial loss. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation for your investments. It's about making smart investments and letting them grow over time. Just like a gardener carefully selects the best seeds and nurtures them, you should choose your investments wisely and give them the attention they need to thrive. Think of it like planting a tree. A tree doesn't grow overnight. It takes years of care and the right conditions to reach its full potential. You wouldn't dig it up every day to see if it's growing, would you? No. Constantly checking your investments can lead to unnecessary stress and impulsive decisions. You would give it time, water, and sunlight, and let it grow naturally. Similarly, your investments need time to mature. Regular contributions, reinvested dividends, and a diversified portfolio can help your investments grow steadily. The same goes for investing. Review your portfolio periodically, but avoid making hasty changes based on market volatility. Be patient, stay invested, and let the power of compounding work its magic. Compounding is the process where the returns on your investments generate their own returns, leading to exponential growth over time. By staying committed to your long-term strategy, you can harness this powerful force to achieve your financial goals. Remember, successful investing is a journey that requires discipline, knowledge, and a long-term perspective. Seek advice from financial experts, stay informed about market trends, and remain focused on your objectives. With the right approach, you can build a prosperous future. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and watch your investments flourish over time. The rewards of long-term growth are well worth the wait. Section 8. Risks and rewards, navigating the market wisely. Now, I'd be lying if I said the stock market was risk-free. It's not. Just like that roller coaster, there will be ups and downs. But here's the thing, with risk comes reward. The stock market has historically outperformed other investments like savings accounts and bonds. The key is to invest wisely. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments, do your research, and remember, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. Section 9. Join the adventure, like, subscribe, and let's invest. So there you have it. We've explored the ins and outs of the stock market together. We've learned about stocks, shares, market indices, and stock exchanges. Now it's your turn. Don't be afraid to dip your toes into the exciting world of investing. Remember, knowledge is power. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more investing tips and tricks. Let's make some money.